Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find a story draft on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going to click on your story, and then I'm going to upload one of the image on my gallery. For example, I'm going to upload this image as my story on Instagram. Then I'm going to save it as a draft. But wait, I'm going to add music, guys. I'm going to add music to this Instagram story. Okay, and I'm going to save it as draft. I'm going to go to the back button like this, and then I'm going to save as a draft. Okay, and now the Instagram story has been saved as a draft, and I'm going to show you how you can find it. I'm going to go to the Instagram homepage, and if you want to find your story draft, you can go to your story, and the draft menu will appear right here after you have draft on your Instagram. Tap on draft. Okay, and this is the draft we have just created. And if you want to post the draft, you just need to tap on the draft like this, and before you upload it to your Instagram, you can edit the draft. You can add tags, music, sticker, or it's up to you. Then you can simply click on your story to upload the story draft to your Instagram account. But if you want to delete the draft, you just need to select the draft. Wait, click on select like this, guys, and then you can simply click on delete, and the draft will be removed from your Instagram. For example, I'm going to delete my draft. Okay, and now there is no draft in this draft list. And if you don't have a draft on your Instagram, the draft menu won't appear right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find the story draft on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.